Hello, Bill Schierl here, and today we're with Heather talking about tire repair. Again, so I'm here at the Tire Repair Center, and we repair a lot of tires. We do. In 2023, there was 8,195 tires that we repaired for free.
Absolutely.
So tell us a little bit about this. Is a great example of where it is repairable and where it's not.
Yes, we keep this up front all the time. It goes over where on the tire, if it's punctured, it would be repairable if we can get to it. Other times, anything like along the shoulder there where it's a high flex area, unfortunately, it just won't hold that plug patch in there, so we won't be able to repair that one, but we can always go over getting a replacement on there and keeping you guys going.
So if I have something sticking out of my tire like this on the side, I'm going to know, unfortunately, it's going to be a new tire.
Yep, it's time to start looking at another one.
If I have a slow leak, I don't see anything sticking out of the tire.
Absolutely, that's pretty
I'd only be lucky that it was in the repairable, patchable section.
Absolutely. Other times it even could just be your bead leaking and you don't even have to worry about trying to get a plug in there. You can just get it sealed back up and on your way.
Fantastic. So just stop in and have it checked out if you have a slow leak.
Absolutely. Even if you don't have time to want to stop, but make an appointment, absolutely stop on and we can take a look at it and get you guys where you need to be.
Fantastic. Thank you, Heather. And we'll see you next time.